Welcome to my apartment tour. This is Cosmo, this is Benny, and they'll be joining us. So this is what a typical Cayman apartment might look like. Ours is actually a duplex. So we're in the right side, somebody else is on the other side of that wall in the left side. Let's start here. So this is our storage room. As you can see, we've got all of our storage in here, Christmas decorations, all that kind of stuff. Lots of cupboards for extra cleaning products and things. And from there we move over here. This is the laundry nook. So you can see we have our own washer and dryer in there. This is where the water heater and everything is. Some more storage, good stuff. Right across from that, we have the kitchen. You can see fairly new appliances, nice big fridge, lots of pantry space. Over here we have our dishwasher, sink, stove, microwave, all that good stuff, lots of storage. Fairly good sized kitchen. And then from there we're going to move into the dining area. We don't have a formal dining room because it's a smaller apartment, but still nice to have both your casual bar stool seating and a full dining table. Got a nice light here, very cute. And then down this way, you'll see we have our living space. Over here we have some really big comfy couches, sofas, whatever you want to call them. There you can see the rest of the house from the back. Out here we have beautiful little screened-in patio, really cute TV and everything here. I'll show you guys more of outside in a minute, but first, let's go check out the bedrooms. So we're gonna head back over this way. Hi Cosmo. Hi Benny. And let's start over here in the master. So this is the master bedroom. Nice and big, king-size bed, space for a desk, TV unit, and a big wardrobe. Over here is the master closet. Quite large, has a nice light and everything. Lots of storage space. So that's the master there. And we're gonna move over here to my room. I have the smallest room, but that's also probably because I spend the least amount of time at home. You can see it's somewhat clean-ish. And nice big window. I'm filming this really early, so I have all the lights on because it's still kind of dim outside. Here's the closet. You can see I got space for all my hoops, lots of storage space, all my camera equipment, everything. That's my room. Yeah, TV as well, all that good stuff. Okay, moving on to the bathroom. Oh, I didn't show you guys the master bathroom. Shoot. Okay, I guess we'll go back to show you that, but this is my bathroom. Lots of storage space. Very bright lights. And the final bedroom. So we obviously have a 3-bedroom. All the rooms have fans. I don't think I showed that, but that's necessary down here. We do have air conditioning, but the fans are really nice at night when the air conditioning might not run as much because it's a little cooler out. You can have your fan going to circulate the air. Lots of storage. 2 big closets in this room. Okay, let's go back and show you the master bathroom. It's right over here. So, again, good lighting. Hello. There's the sinks, toilet, nice jacuzzi jet tub. Good stuff. Hi Cosmo, hello again, excuse me. So that's pretty much it. I don't know what else you want to see. That is the tour of our cute little apartment. I'll take you guys outside so you can see the backyard because the backyard is beautiful. We actually lived in a different apartment before this, which was fairly similar, a little bit smaller because it was a 2-bedroom. But this is, yeah, I mean, what you can kind of expect from a modern day Caymanian dwelling, I guess. Homes obviously will be bigger, Apartments in big multi-unit complexes can, obviously have some differences. They'd likely have a complex with a pool or a tennis court or something like that. We opted for more of a private home so we could have a private fenced backyard for the dog, and also more bedrooms. So you kind of have to decide what you're going to trade off for the cost. And sorry, Penny's eating stuff off the floor. Yeah, $2,600 to $2,800 a month is a realistic estimate for a place of this size. So here's a little peek at the backyard. Hello, Benny. We have a nice little gazebo. We have a very broken swing that should be getting fixed soon. A little shed for all of the gardening storage. Our landlord actually does the gardening. Well, he doesn't do it. He hires somebody to do it. So we don't have to worry about that, but everything is just stored in there. This is the other neighbor's side, basically the same. There's no like fence separating us and the neighbors. So our dogs hang out together, and it's actually really nice, like kind of sharing the space. Everyone's very respectful. Here's our barbecue. Come on, Benny. And then you can see back to the house here. So it's a little bit of a backyard oasis, really beautiful, very nature-filled, and I really, really enjoy this. I prefer this to the perks we had at the big apartment we were in. Because we had a pool there, but this is nicer. It's more private. I prefer it. Anyways, and of course the porch area is screened in, so we're safe from mosquitoes and spideys. Come on, Benny, let's go in. Good boy. Anyways, there's a little apartment tour for you guys by request from one of my commenters. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye!